Welcome to our channel Stories and More, where history comes to life. Today, we're diving into the epic tale of Bappa Rawal, a legendary king who stood as a beacon of resistance against foreign invaders. Before we start, request to the viewers and listeners, please subscribe, like and share my channel Stories and More to others too. Thank you. From 600 CE, the Arabs started invading Middle East and Central Asia and conquered Syria, Iran and Spain. Mod bin Qasim, the nephew and son-in-law of the ruler, attacked the Sindh province and defeated the Hindu king, Raja Dahir, in 712 CE. Buoyed by the success, he went on a rampage and came all the way to Gujarat and Rajasthan by capturing Jaisalmer, Marwar, Mandalgarh and Bharuch. We hardly know anything about what really happened in northwestern frontier for next 300 years, till the arrival of great plunderer, Mahmud Ghazni. Here the valor and legend of Bappa Rawal, the king of Mewar, reveals the true history. Bappa Rawal was a celebrated king of Mewar region in Rajasthan and established the Mewar kingdom and famous Ekling temple in 728 CE. His original name was Raja Kalabhoja. He commandeered confederation of Rajput kingdoms to decimate the Arabs, led by Mod bin Qasim, and chased his army into the deep desert beyond Ghazni. Most of the Arab were killed in this battle. Such was the ferocity and military power. Bappa Rawal in a sense had broken the myth that Indian kings could not unite against foreign invaders to protect the motherland. We have always heard the exact opposite narrative in our history books. The ferocity and bravery of Bappa Rawal was so astounding that people addressed him, the name of reverence, Bappa. He was a visionary commander as he realized that invaders are not be decimated within the borders of India alone, but to be demolished in their homeland as well. To strengthen the northwestern frontier, Bappa Rawal built a city named Rawalpindi, still surviving after his name. The city was strategically located and hence made his military garrison. After strengthening the post of Rawalpindi, Bappa Rawal led 16 valiant forays into Ghazni, Afghanistan, and subjugated the entire Ghazni. Bappa Rawal expanded the kingdom of Mewar boundary on a vast geographical area deep into Central Asia as well. His successful military expedition into Sindh, Balochistan, Ghazni, Kandahar, Khorasan, Turan, Isfahan and Iran to establish him as one of the greatest kings of contemporary world. Legends Bappa Rawal are filled with intriguing mysteries and artifacts. One such mystery revolves around his legendary sword. The legend of Bappa Rawal's mythical sword, weighing 1,280 kilograms, imbued with power and shrouded in mystery. Was it a divine gift or a celestial marvel? Rumored to possess mystical powers, it is said that this sword was imbued with the blessings of the gods themselves. Some say it was a gift from the divine, bestowed upon him as a symbol of his rightful rule over Mewar. Others claim it was forged from a fallen star, its metal infused with the very essence of the cosmos. However, Bappa Rawal's sword was more than just a weapon. It was a symbol of his strength, his courage, and his unwavering devotion to his people. Such was his power and fear that he could command and administer the entire northwestern frontier from Mewar. Arabs gave up the idea of any military expedition to the prosperous land of India for next 300 years. Bappa Rawal, who assumed the honor of being the savior of Chittor at the mere age of 20, ruled for next 30 years. He took the spiritual path thereafter and submerged into the devotion of Lord Shiv in 753 CE. Rana Sanga, Maharana Pratap and Rana Uday Singh were among his descendants. Hence it is possible that the name of the city he established was Rawalpind, being a Shiv-backed, which later became Rawalpindi. Pind means village in Punjabi. Hence it must be Rawalpind only, that is a village built or established by Rawal. Request to the viewers and listeners, please subscribe, like and share my channel Stories and More to others too. Thank you.